Heavy fabrics demand power, precision, and durability for clean, consistent stitching. Best sewing machines for denim help tackle thick seams, multiple layers, and tough materials with ease. In this guide, we'll explore reliable models that deliver strength, smooth performance, and excellent value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Singer X5004 Denim Sewing Machine. The Singer X5004 Denim Sewing Machine is a dependable choice for sewists who frequently work with denim, canvas, upholstery, and other heavy fabrics. Designed with a heavy-duty metal frame, this machine offers the durability and stability needed for demanding sewing projects. The sturdy construction helps minimize vibration during operation, allowing the machine to maintain smooth and consistent stitching even when sewing through multiple fabric layers. For users working with thick materials, this robust design provides the confidence needed for long-term use. One of the standout features of the Singer X5004 is its versatile stitching capability. The machine supports 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching configurations and offers 6 different stitch types, making it useful for both practical repairs and creative sewing projects. This versatility makes it useful for both practical repairs and creative sewing projects. The machine is particularly well suited for denim thanks to its oversized cutting knife. Measuring approximately 60% larger than those found on many standard sergers, the knife trims thick fabrics efficiently and cleanly.
Number 4. Brother HC1850 Denim Sewing Machine. The Brother HC1850 Denim Sewing Machine is a versatile computerized sewing machine that offers an impressive combination of convenience, functionality, and creative flexibility. While it is popular among quilters and hobbyists, it also performs well on denim projects thanks to its reliable feeding system and wide selection of stitch options. With 185 built-in sewing and decorative stitches, including 130 utility and decorative sewing stitches, along with 55 alphanumeric stitches, this machine provides plenty of opportunities for customization. Whether you are hemming jeans, repairing denim jackets, or adding decorative details to heavy fabric projects, the HC1850 offers the tools needed to complete the task with precision. One of the most useful features for everyday sewing is the advanced needle threading system. Threading a needle can often be frustrating, but this machine simplifies the process with a convenient lever-operated mechanism that saves time and reduces eye strain. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system further enhances usability by providing smooth thread delivery and easy bobbin monitoring. Together, these features help users spend more time sewing and less time preparing the machine.
Number 3. Brother ST371HD Denim Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371HD Denim Sewing Machine is specifically designed for users who need extra strength and durability when working with thicker materials. As a heavy-duty sewing machine, it is particularly well-suited for denim projects, making it an excellent choice for hemming jeans, repairing workwear, constructing bags, or sewing multiple layers of fabric. Built with ease of use and dependable performance in mind, the ST371HD balances power and simplicity, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced sewists. A major highlight of this machine is its selection of 37 built-in stitches. These include utility stitches, decorative stitches, stretch stitches, and an automatic one-step buttonhole. This variety allows users to handle everything from basic repairs to more advanced garment construction. Whether you need a reinforced seam for denim or decorative stitching for a custom project, the ST371HD provides plenty of options without overwhelming the user with unnecessary complexity.
The machine also features an automatic needle threader that quickly guides the thread through the needle eye. This feature reduces setup time and helps eliminate one of the most tedious aspects of sewing. In addition, the jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system ensures smooth operation and reliable stitch formation even during extended sewing sessions.
Number 2. Brother SE700 Denim Sewing Machine. The Brother SE700 Denim Sewing Machine stands out by combining sewing and embroidery functionality in a single versatile machine. For users who want more than just standard sewing capabilities, this model offers an impressive blend of creativity, technology, and convenience. While it excels at embroidery projects, it also provides the strength and functionality needed for sewing denim garments, making it a valuable tool for creative sewists who enjoy personalizing their work. One of the machine's most attractive features is its extensive library of built-in content. The SE700 includes 135 embroidery designs, 10 embroidery lettering fonts, and 103 sewing stitches. This broad selection allows users to create custom denim jackets, personalized jeans, decorative patches, and unique accessories without requiring additional software or design purchases. The machine's one-step buttonhole options further enhance its garment-making capabilities. Technology plays a major role in the SE700's appeal. Built-in wireless connectivity enables users to transfer embroidery files directly from a computer through Brother's design database transfer software. The machine is also compatible with the Artspira mobile app, which allows users to create and transfer custom embroidery patterns wirelessly.
Number 1. Singer Buttonhole Denim Sewing Machine. The Singer Buttonhole Denim Sewing Machine is designed to provide the extra strength and durability needed for heavy fabrics while remaining approachable for everyday users. Featuring enhanced piercing power and a stronger motor, this machine handles multiple layers of denim, canvas, and other thick materials more effectively than many standard sewing machines. Whether you are altering jeans, constructing workwear, or creating durable home decor projects, it offers the performance needed for challenging sewing tasks. One of the machine's strongest features is its versatility. With 32 built-in stitches and 110 stitch applications, users can easily switch between utility, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole functions. This wide selection makes the machine suitable for a variety of projects beyond denim, including garment construction, repairs, quilting, and craftwork. The one-step buttonhole feature simplifies finishing tasks and helps produce professional-looking results. The included accessory package adds considerable value. Along with standard sewing accessories, users receive a walking foot, non-stick foot, clearance plate, heavy-duty needles, quilting guide, zipper foot, button sewing foot, and other useful tools. These accessories expand the machine's capabilities and make it easier to work with a range of fabrics and sewing techniques. That wraps up our selection of the best sewing machines for denim. Whether you need extra power for thick seams or versatile features for everyday projects, there's an option to match your needs. Choose the model that fits your budget and sewing style and enjoy smoother, more confident results.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.